Hey everybody, Josh from the J Side Friday. Yeah, that's right. I got a video, like another video. I did them last week because that was the end of 2018. We are now into the first episode of J Side Friday for 2019. Now, I don't have a whole lot of content today because I really haven't been working outside, but I'm determined to put a video up once a week for the whole year. Today, I think somebody just went poop. Anyway, he's happy. So today what we're going to do, we're going to talk about a project that I never posted the video about. And I really didn't get any good footage. I'm going to air that right here while I talk to yous about it. So I've got a 2006 Honda Ridgeline. If you know anything about them, they're all-wheel drive. They are V6, whatever. Run great, thing's awesome. But I developed a vibration under load and over 50-ish miles an hour. And in any other vehicle, I would have just said immediately, yeah, I need a U-joint. But U-joints felt nice and tight in the truck. So I pulled the U-joints, or the drive shaft, right out of the car. It has a carrier bearing in the middle of the drive shaft with a big rubber bushing in it so that it can flex and take up, I'm assuming, the vibration. One, to be honest, probably to keep that bearing from getting jarred too much, but two, just to keep driveline vibrations down. Now, unfortunately, that bushing is super soft. So I pulled the drive shaft out, brought that thing in the house because it's middle of winter and it's cold, and got it nice and hot. I cleaned it up with some brake parts cleaner and scuffed up the rubber on the inside of that, and used this stuff right there. That's a some kind of sealer I got at the parts store. It's for windows, and it's like a self-leveling silicone-based sealant. It's still pretty stiff, but still flexible. So I figured it would take up the slack from that wore-out bushing, that rubber isolator there, and hopefully get rid of some of the vibration. Because what I was picturing, because you feel it in the seats, the truck kind of goes like this in your seats, not in the steering wheel. Not like a wheel humping like it's got a it's out of alignment. Literally just a vibration like this. So I'm picturing the drive shaft doing one of these as it's getting under load. Realistically, because it's got two pretty tight U-joints. I'm thinking the U-joints are shot because there's a little bit of a flat spot when you rotate them. But there's no play in them. So did all that. You can see right there that little video. It took about a day to dry in the house. And mind you, that thing is like 10 feet tall. So make sure you got room height-wise to do it. And I super suggest doing this. If you've got the same problem on probably a Pilot or CRV or Ridgeline, or, I don't know, MDX, whatever the Acura SUV is, I would do it. I would try it first because it took me probably a total of 15 minutes to pull that drive shaft and very little effort to get that sealant in there. The sealant cost me like $7. It was cheap. The original idea was to use windshield adhesive, the urethane, but it's like $25 like a tube. No thanks. So anyway, got it all back together. Took it for a drive, and I'll tell you what, that vibration dropped. It's still there a little bit, but it dropped 80% right off the top. I mean, the vibration is minimal. I would definitely recommend it before you drop $800, $1,000, whatever it is for a whole drive shaft. And when that bearing starts to wear, expect to buy a drive shaft. So like, do this for the $7 and a little bit of labor. Start saving money for that new drive shaft because it's probably going to need it eventually. It's not serviceable because they pinned the U-joints and whatever. So there's that. It works good now. That's it for tech of the week. Let's talk about media. Has anyone watched Hoonigan's Gymkhana 10 or whatever that is. The Hoonitruck, that thing right there, super cool. I still say my favorite, Hoonicorn. People are gonna mock this because in certain circles of automobilia around here, Hoonigan's a joke, but entertainment value, all-wheel drive burnouts, and cool stuff, I'm there. I don't know about you guys, but I'll watch somebody slide trucks and cars around. Why not? It's loud. It makes noise. Sounds cool. So that was pretty neat. That's it for the news. I mean, locally, I don't know if you guys are from Western New York or if you follow this guy. OldSoul Rod Shop right here, that place. He's got this car. See the picture? That is one of my most favorite cars locally. Little 5-window coupe with an unchopped top. Well, not anymore, boys and girls. Right there. Cut that puppy down. I will say it does look good chopped, but it was neat to see one locally that was still, you know. I'm 6'1". I want a hot rod someday, and I know I'm not gonna fit in a chopped one. So I liked that car, but it still looks cool. I'll give him that. And that's it, man. This week's gonna be a short video. Yeah, let's get a video a week, and I'll get something fun soon. Don't worry about it. Hopefully it warms up a little, cause it's freaking cold. Until next time, people, please get out in the garage. You need take your kids with you. Take a niece or nephew or somebody, and show them how to hold a hammer. Cause someday, when you're dead and gone, no one's gonna know. It's gonna be lost to video games and you know, whatever they're into that's lazy. So until next time, hit it up. JSAT Fridays every week, if I can keep motivated. Right here on Wrench Fetish. See you, folks.